And and me catch or say Kwamfanoche Teaching Hospital. The edi kan pa say Abra omo drew the public affairs for no omo de beto abonten say enema ekoso emergency and accident unit onum no enti say beye den pa say odi obi ba hombet mageno me catch us say de ya papa ya ba bekan. There will be a stigmatization. Papa umbe sanction umbe mason. I said it. And Chakrada from the ministry, Kwabena Akandoh de krata by say. Orobo Kwabena Akandoh say. Papa no I'm obey a yen nyama His Excellency another His Excellency John Robert Mama de tuja. Enti sana tiedia falete no tosubami. Sana tiedia papa no onko fie. Ana onfa na adwuma ne to kakra no munye hwe enhwemu. Enti Dr. Paakwasi Beidu Chema, he being the chief executive officer for Kwamfanoche no. Onfa na adwuma no ento for investigation. Na me hu ade we dem catch us say the health personnel will also not be happy. And I was happy. To me, me want to say kwan bi so no. Now we should resort to George or Dad say, Bibia se ne atwokrata ba. Bibia ne atwokrata ba. Yaba suspension. Bibia, you see, as a nipa ntimi nyo mumu nya adwuma yi. Enti mrebia no ya intimidation. Ya intimidation na man ko for ya adwuma. And the broadcaster Dr. Beidu Kwadam say, I know, sir, His Excellency the President, at the Abase, and there may be a teacher during this time, the on so. Basi you should let us say, just suspended, no, though we have to do investigation and all that. At the who be rank of women, ya point you because they get a clue from what happened in Tamale. Tamale teaching hospital no. Me will say Kwabena Akandoh already now say doctors ne the administrators ne omu jana. Me kanu kwa omu to Kwabena Akandoh. Because from the reaction a free Tamale buy no. As omu wo timpo and now omu health ministry no. Ade ba kwa me so omu ye pa ni say if you are not from their side, on your professional, no do better. Or say you are not a medical person, you do better is because of politics, you do better. So respect pa the ya na de ma Sadia no pa doctors and nurses in him. You do better. Enti Kwabena Akandoh have to be careful. All Kwabena Akandoh has to be careful. Mekano wa asa krate ya bay. And once mbeba. Mekaba say once mbeba. Ko me catch am say after the emergency one man. Papa na through the public affairs normally about beto abonten no. And can your proper measure that is the best practice to me. So come back first acquaintance because obi ba say see ani aka say ho ayema. Na ya refer to crowd ko be fufura. And somewhere be see wo krom ano e be different. And utie the public affairs now said they are liaising with Ghana Health Service. Said there are other places bet me any patients because sometimes you know na e basa na Kwamfanoche de ya ba bebre na even the ambulance service no they hold the bow madrim first. And to communicate say be if there are other places so the south region south Honoma any other place bet me I should be no more. So to me, it wasn't bad. Especially say it in the Babedu near born return. It wasn't bad. So the intention was not bad. But me say because of the directives now, President Debayan, there is no way the CEO, Dr. Beidu, they will not sanction him. And then once a moment, and then krata by. Me ready ministry no so krata anyway, you know. And I'm catching him say, because Dr. Bedu is part of them, no. Ghana Medical Association also the communicate beba. And I won't be surprised, say, nurses in so I won't put mu fiat and so de and krata beba. And do you know why? The reason why I'm worried and say, Dr. Bedu, in as much as I disagree with the content of the letter, Kwabena Akandoh at the bar, ministry in the bar, and the way and manner, no person who suspended Dr. Bedu, no, I was not happy and I will never be happy with it. A quiet no person who suspended Dr. Bedu, no, it was not the best. But Ghana Medical Association, some of the character about condemn to me, it was good because it's part of you. But say when hunti yesi ye juma ye cost strike. Like are we okay? I said Drew baby, because say ye didn't say some services are essential. No, the person ye won say as a juma ye boy chemso. It wasn't necessary for this strike. And nurses for those the by say almost cost strike. I was like, should the patient suffer because of this issue? Sa issue when the patients suffer. I don't pay your call offer to from Nanum for video notoso. People are stranded all over. All because of say, Obia Dr. Bedu, the entire because Ghana Medical Association for a dear way no doctors no no, it was uncalled for. Nurses was uncalled for. Because Dr. Bedu was appointed by His Excellency the President. The CEO was appointed by the President. And he paid the appointment in a buyer. Nipa no appointed on the directives abba. The directives they say, Mamunye A, B, C, D. And he will have the power to hire, also have the power to fire. And now, Sanka normal doctor bia. Oye the Juma. Ana sa krata we buy. Ana musimo cost striker. I don't have a problem with it because also defend them one kasamu defend them members. But in this case, Dr. Bedu, in as much as I disagree with the way I'm suspending, but also I disagree with Ghana Medical Association and the nurses, Ghana nurses, registered nurses and midwifery forum. I disagree with you. So be appointed or be so may see you. Not any partner I go against the directives. And for that matter, no. I also trying to in So I was thinking, at least writing a letter or a communique in support of Dr. Bedu was the best. It shows love. It shows say we are together as a team. It showed the love and the team worker. That was fantastic. Registered nurses and midwives for those. It was fantastic. But I think that ma overdo what you are supposed to do. You have overdone with what you are supposed to do. You have overdo it. Maya amana broso. That is the best tree word. Maya amana broso. Say obia ma obia appointment. Tio. One man appointment. No, see nipa na man appointment no. Akwa tia ne directives enti onche no nya hwehwemu. They don't say yakwa strike. Ya madwuma. It's what happens to the patients. What happens to the patients? Sometimes you know etodo bia ya mane buruso dudu. Ya mane buruso. And no profession is special than any profession, let me tell you. It is a privilege and it's a calling. Because a medical, so a doctor, medical doctor, so a nurse, and you're free. And he say, I'm free, that is why you have some doctors, sir. Patients, a bit toward the animal patients, some of the doctors and nurses, I am a witness to that. But, sir, You can say yes, you be suspend, you more be suspension. You can disagree, and you can issue a communique. We can do backdoor works too as well. To me, Kwabena Akandoh, Honorable Kwabena Akandoh didn't get it well, but it doesn't mean say yenye DAC. And now no pay corner question patients a good Kwabena teaching hospital. A free and ra. We were there yesterday. And a shas here. And a crowd na shas here. Go there and check. The patients a go on and pay all because doctors, nurses, so mejuma, Dr. Beju, you say your man suspension say you should juma. And until you mejuma. Patients in war. I dare kumakra nearby a current team musei. Where the Maya am an abruso. Abroso. A tema yedema patients no. Ayera. In this case, in this particular case, a tema yedema patients ayera. Cause yet me can say, in as much as the minister a goofy on that to me, that's my personal stand. A goofy on that doesn't mean say. Monso son tina fien kase patients emu because say yes Dr. Bedu you are suspended. There are so many ways we can deal with this than say Bobako strike. Moya sa na adwuma na e bia funu ana mo pese mbeba because munim a minute kra se muni ho ade esi wo konfa no che ho munim say a minute say doctors and nurses and if they are not at poster yenim die ko esi wo kroma yenim die esi wo digital konfa no che na yem dwin nipa ho yem dwin patients ho say ya suspended Dr. Bedu nti yem adwuma. Are we for real? Oh, tuna mo so ene ne sa anwoma ni na ewo hin say you reduce your work to the extent say a teaching hospital, a referral hospital, Ghana hospital, West Africa, your neighboring countries hospital bia eye bibia ye ba kese pem ye governor. And because of the suspension of Dr. Bedu, which is wrong to me, but doesn't mean that two wrongs can never make right. Say you're tenefie, you're mejuma because you're suspending Dr. Bedu. Are you guys for real? Doctors they are back, you're Juma, you're suspended Dr. Bedu, so you are not coming to work. Nurses so they are back, you're suspended Dr. Bedu, you are not coming to work. Are we for real? Are we for real? Two wrongs never make right. Tarope wako hon wa hwe said nkofo fifi mo setete ho na say ya dia won't massa. What is happening? I am told said Dr. Mwako any word there or no makwa kasa. Hopefully yeah reso mbeba but sa adwen no kra na ni say ba mutirim. Sa adwen no kra ni say ba mutirim. Sa adwen no kra na ni say ba mutirim. It was wrong. Meaning there or this adwene by, but we should bow our head in shame. We are all fighting for Dr. Bedu. We all know say what the minister did. No, it was very extreme. Baby, I did coin extreme. But just I can't phantom. Make you want me to say I suspend you, so a whole medical team, a whole doctors, a whole nurses and midwives, I was say, young quo. It is not any ordinary hospital, Confirmatory teaching hospital. Confirmatory teaching hospital. If you read the letter, you will marvel. And you have Dr. Ernest, a whole professor Dr. Ernest. Monsasha, see, I was like, hey. Dr. Richard Munyina, I was like, hey. It is serious. It is very, very, very worrying and serious. Now, listen to some of the patients. And are paying someone no musoka. And you see, say,
the hard pressure say, you buy yet was a says a car, say, you buy no more hand, Casabi, your man number A, B, and yesterday. I should not say, Omoko striking it, I might it was a in the and one say to you see, you be a radio, a jay ombe. Oh, there be a busaya almost say, a so many meeting, being in case say, so we are dear. Until one day, him did fair back until Yayasheti over. And the best a bang says the doctors in here be an more than say, whatever boy, mamma, yes, I are a phone. Yes, you yarisa. No more to me, I'm a sure what way. The doctors in that mind a bit to me, I'm a mother. I want me from a pay, Emma, until the best room. Say, be as a bass when you manage so. I only have to make a crama. Na ọmọ boy ni mo ti ọmọ hwe na ye honto yi
na pay de ba de bi ankan bi anchire ni nim de esi o makwan ma mo mekan bi anchire obi na yale bi maame na yale na bi ba ti ya na busu bi ya na edini ba ti last April mu na mo share say June ye fa na mra fourth May holiday no mo ye buy no me say yemra on the 8th into me see any near didn't buy a bias no car into there the doctor abayani here ocean one way na ya refund be bit na de afamu into the back this day me ankasa me ba around be 3:30 ti atwa bobe says na who say omoya announcement say doctor for no omoko strike na entry copy say 8 bobo na mpanifo no inti de mpanifo no beka say yes why ba say intimi a den ko doctor na o my time and I said date that wo for na aba say abetra no say so be afi ba na kwa no wa last week na ba afi leak na ba say kwa na wa inti ye o say twa na na yeti de mpanifo beka atrenti ebe gwa say nkofia na yeko da wo for na asaba oh help because so he kwatenti a wo fudi ba ya me ba last week na almost same time ti na I was senka a doctor for na e me ba yima me na so e ba no nipa busu bebe hu enti de ko bia na obi aso nka bia nche say e bia say na say di esra ba say mo bia also yema adapter for na omuso hwe ayale for no moto na esra ba say o man sanye ntinta na o mehwe o na yenso enya hoto
enti that is it. Nurses for no krata o mutro no tie the nurses ni kai on the 6th of June, Omutro way by. The chairman of the board, Confederate Teaching Hospital, Kumasi, dear Nana Professor, notice of industrial action in solidarity with Confederate Doctors Association, CADA, and other health workers organization at Confederate Teaching Hospital. No, far away, move nurses, dear. I heard them who said nurses in Impejuma now. Look at the caption very well. Notice of industrial action in solidarity with Comfort Anochi Doctors Association, CADA, and other health workers organization at Confanochi Teaching Hospital. Look at this. It's not even about CADA. The situation is not about CADA. It's about the CEO. Look at the caption. It's about the CEO, not CADA. The leadership and members of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association working in Confanochi Teaching Hospital wish to inform you and the board of CAT that the GRNMA district association, having considered recent event that has unfounded at the hospital, wish to state as follows. 1. the 2-week suspension of the chief executive officer per directives of the Ministry of Health is unnecessary. And I agree with you. It's unnecessary. It's unnecessary. That is what I agree. And if Ghana registered nurses and midwives association has served this notice. So one, they are not happy with the 2-week suspension of the chief executive officer per directives of the Ministry of Health. That one I agree, it is unnecessary. We all agree with you, it is unnecessary. So we agree with Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. We agree with you. Now, 2, patient safety, quality, healthcare delivery, and the protection of patients cannot be achieved with the suspension of the CEO. Patient safety, quality healthcare delivery, and protection of patients cannot be achieved with the suspension of the CEO. That is not true. Admitting, say, and they say CEO, Name Fasama, anywhere. Still, and Chelsea argument to me, so that is not true. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Because they were in a rush, so some of these things I disagree with them. Health professionals are working under extremely difficult conditions, and changing this narrative cannot be achieved with the suspension of the CEO. You are working, in fact, under if there is a word more than difficult, I can use it. Difficult conditions, that is true. The conditions that our nurses, our midwives, our paramedics, our healthcare workers are working under, no, it's not the best. That one we agree. And we therefore respectfully call for the Ministry of Health must expedite the operationalization of the long-awaited health facility intended to decongest and ease the burden on CAT. That one I agree. Metna can say, Yepenia Aka Aferi Hospital. Also, ye na Sewa Kaye agenda 111 Makumyoni and say Waha. I drew about 90 to 95%. That one I agree with you. But one now case we have but that is why I'm saying sometimes you guys, it looks like you're doing politics out of this. And you maybe say eka. Me ka ya midika because Makachom say umupe bibia se wa hospital aferi agenda 111 na akeka nguram na ye wie no. I also ya adwen koso. But I'm yes, you guys are being politics. I'm telling you, you can't you're professionals, no. We appeal for urgent and then retooling of CAT. And when you know, one elected as association. Sometimes you come home. Immediate withdrawal of the suspension of the CEO. That's when I agree. Some catch them say CEO need dear. CEO need dear. Suspension in Fasobia ni so. Ehun here. The other system me can that me predict say the bebe. But I'm surprised say association omo hu we nyina atena honum. If not written to the public, written to the ministry. For Sandra way na Sama Yachasia Kun say 1 year very home. You are also stakeholders, major one. Because your condition is very important. Tanawa and Treasury and found. I feel number say more issues that you want to talk about. You did not cry anymore to think crying. You did not cry anymore to think crying. Tine say Jinayama way sunti. No, be so no na striker. Not patience in your day. Not patience in your day. There is a feeble issue. Issue any issue be a trivia. Any issue be a was a yet na issue where we say patience me go no pay him of it. Ah. Me say Kwabena minta from day one me won say obu penance mu ono an so ka ho satama ne action and inaction say to be o play to me me na be say to me surely no and na dey asemba but they are going overboard. Our professionals are going overboard reading their letter and the points that they've laid down. They are going overboard. They are overdoing it. They are playing politics in a way. We cannot allow this to happen. I don't pay question. That's why I made this video not so. Look at what is happening. All because yes, Dr. Bedu, you have suspended. We can fight for Dr. Bedu. Fight way. Me come because I started the fight from day one. Kwabena minta Akandoh. I don't cry for a crata mine. Adam Mekachom said they should be careful. Mommy, your marriage won't be suspended, doctor. I said Dr. Bedu shouldn't be suspended. Me cancer say we cancer and let any babon thing. But what Ghana Medical Association kada any cancer necessary or confirmation it is unnecessary. It's needless. Your trocrata demanded serious that is fine. Suspension that is fine. Retooling confirmation that is fine. You share other hospitals now. You abandon no. That is fine. But to add to it, say industrial strike mo continue fie ni de. Aba adabraka. Bien kwa. Kakrata is perfect. At least all the krata and banner and koswa. Then you come to the last. This should be the last resort. Say, then we go on to we go for strike, industrial strike. But I wish I the only preceding industrial strike. Are we for real? Are we for real? You kind of crunch home, man. Now, man, for be the omu 2 minute omu professional ACCB. They are overdoing it. Matro beautiful letter. Ghana Medical Association Krato Mutro by very nice one. Nurses and midwifery, very nice one. Ministry no di biaba me ene dia mo amasem mo ansem no appoint obi na mo be ene dia mo amasem. It was beautiful. But to add up say dia won ko adwuma na ho na menti ase. After fighting a good fight, kotere bini one to na the white at also. I can let this write up, this communicate, do the work for you. Charpe me back to that my church or side you me kuan mo se me kumamo. Yeah, kuma ye nyina how because ya dey obi ani baby okwa yare de ne beko. And we fight for ourselves. But what if I say on kwa adwuma? How do I defend this?